Hi there, this is CJ Mimi again. So balance part 2. So if you've mastered the floor, you're rocking it one leg, the soft surfaces that you can find around your house, the next step to making it harder, again please being safe though, is working on one leg balance. From here you can do a couple of different things. You can close the eyes, and that'll force all of the information to be coming from your ankle upwards. When we hurt ourselves, the ankles don't no longer have the ability to tell our body, or not just the ankles, but the knees, the hips, the back, they no longer have the ability to give us accurate information as to where we are in space. So forcing the eyes out of the picture gets our body to say, okay, what am I getting from the ankle? What am I getting from the knee, the hip, the back? We are very eye dominant, so that gives us a lot of information as to where we are in space. So from here to the camera, I can see, where I am, but if I close my eyes, all of a sudden I don't have that information to tell my feet, okay, what are you supposed to do in this situation? So that's one thing. So all the stuff we talked about before, eyes open. Now we're going to talk about, we talked about eyes closed. You can also keep the eyes open and turn your head a little bit one way, turn your head a little bit the other way. You can also do up, you can also do down. This is also part of that example where we talked about being safe in community ambulation, so walking out in the community. Because as you're walking, if somebody says, hey CJ, and you turn quick, you don't want to eat it as you turn over. We get balance information from 4 different places: from our joint receptors, from our cervical spine, from our neck, from our eyes, and also from our ears. So here, if we take the eyes out of the picture, we're going to be forcing it towards more of the ears and towards the feet. And then if you turn your head, you're also challenging it by saying, okay, where's my neck in space? What kind of information am I getting from all of these systems, these 4 systems, and do they all agree with each other, or are they in conflict? If they're in conflict and you're losing your balance, that's okay. Just keep practicing, and then they'll start to talk to each other a little bit better. Let me know how it goes.